Hello, I'm Paulius from BalticDiag. Today I'll help you choose a tire changer. Choosing equipment is a big task as we expect some kind of return on it. So, how do you choose the right machine? First of all, what kind of vehicle wheels will you mount? Will it be cars, trucks, or motorcycles, and how often do you plan to do it? If your shop specializes in tire mounting and balancing, we recommend purchasing higher-end equipment as this will help make your work noticeably faster, easier, and even better overall. Safe. This allows you to mount more tires within the same amount of time, which can increase your return on investment or ROI. However, if tire changing is not the main focus of your business, you can choose mid-range machines that will still reliably get the job done. Next, evaluate the technical specs of the machine and its suitability for your auto shop. This includes max wheel size, whether you'll mount run-flat or low-profile tires, the demand for mounting services, the size of your workspace, and whether the supplier offers warranty and post-warranty service. By clarifying these parameters, you'll be able to choose the right machine for your needs. And if you'd like a more detailed consultation, you can always contact our experts.